Hello from Soft System. Today we are going to show one more such a good product such as Soft System Digital Signage Media Player. This is basically a Android player. If you see backside, you can have a HDMI output, a LAN output and USB. So you can play that media files, mainly designed for signage playing and media content to play. Okay, so it's a metal case. Also it's a 4K. You can support up to 4K signage. Okay, I will show that workflow, how the concept is working. Okay, this is that basic design. Here you can see either controlled by phone or a computer, and either you can use a single TV as a single player as a signage player, or you want multi TV. Either you can go with multiple signage player for each TV, or the other way you can go for one signage player using the transmitter and receiver to extend the TV. The basic idea here, you can use with schools, hospitals, hotels or wedding, any signage purpose like shopping malls. What are the who need that signage design, who need the signage content to play, like this kind of style, they can use this kind of signage player. So okay, so I will show that I will show that this one, the video. Normally we created a one content is playing here. Okay, and in the easy way you can control the device through the mobile. So if you see here, this is that mobile, we are controlling our signage. If I go back, okay, if we go device, so our device is 4K support. As I told you, the output size is a 4K supported. This is a mobile app, you can control it. Okay, this is a remote. From the remote also you can control, or the package coming with the device, the power adapter and the remote, also the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, so what I'm going to do, instead of using remote, I'm controlling that app here. So I simply go here. If the content is playing here, okay, if you go to the program, okay, then I can select my program. So this is the program is playing there. So for demo purpose, what I'm doing, I'm just clear the program for you. So this is empty the show. That means if I click here, the program is gone. See, the program is gone. That means there is no program inside that signage player. So I want to create a program. I can simply go here, click program. I already created one program. Then I'm clicking the program. This is the size. So what are the size I want, I can easily add. If you see here, I can add image 1, I can add image 2, I can add video. So what you can go here, this is the way you can add image, you can add video, text, whatever graphics you want, you can add it from the software here. Okay, so for the demo purpose, I already created a one program. I'm just sending the program. If I click send, so the program is sending. See, it's sending here. The percentage you can see. That means the program sending to that the signage player. After it completed 100%, then the program is playing here. So this is that idea. Okay, so this is the basic of signage. You can control everything from the mobile itself. Okay, the another way control also you can do. That means using the system. Okay, so I will show that on the system how you can go to control. If you go to just minimize the workflow. So this is that software. So this software you can control by from the system. So this is our device. That means the signage we are connected via LAN network. If you go see the backside, we connected the HDMI output, we connected the LAN to that system, and this is Wi-Fi. If you also control Wi-Fi and LAN, both way you can control. So if you go here, our device is online. That means this is the signage player is online. I can go to the program management. I created some samples here. For example, in the category space, hospital, hotel, school, wedding and shopping, and go to the terminal. What I'm going to do, I'm going to empty the program because the content is playing here. What I'm doing, I'm just going to empty the program. After that, I can select the player. So this device is showing there. So I just select that player. Okay, then I can go to that empty. So it's asking, see, now reset. So all the program getting reset. So we empty the program. Now I go to step by step. If I go to the terminal management, my device is online. First, I have to check my device is online. After that, I created some program. If you see here, I'm just pushing that wedding. If you go here, I can select. Okay, then I can go to edit. If I click edit, okay, here I can create as we designed in the mobile phone. Same like also options also here we can create the program. So what I'm going to do, I'm just sending one by one for you to understand. Okay, so I'm making any changes here. So I'm simply click the wedding. Then after I create the wedding, I go to batch release. Then it asking where my device, so I'm selecting the device. After device selected, I'm confirming. Okay, the program going to send. If you see here, the program is going to send. So this program sending through the LAN cable to our device. After its program, the program going to be saved in the system. So for the first time only you have to push the content to the Signage. After that, Signage is pushed, it will save the program here. The Signage is playing here. So this is basically wedding. So whoever want like wedding photos or wedding videos, they want to play, so they can simply send by mobile or send by system or laptop to the Signage player using the software. That software it's sending to directly to the TV. The two-way connection, for example, see, I have used transmitter, I have used two receiver. Okay, so I'm taking the HDMI output to the transmitter. From the transmitter, I'm taking the LAN through the input, and the output going to another LAN. So that means two receiver. I'm showing the one receiver, and the another receiver I'll show you. Just to understand, if you have different TV, different content, you have to get different signage. Like that, if this is one Signage player, you have to get another Signage player for each TV for different content. Okay, if you want to push the same content, you can use one Signage player. That output you can use our transmitter receiver cascade extender. So you can extend and you can send to the TV. Okay, so now you see we have the wedding program. So I just can send it here. The second, I'm pushing the hospital. Okay, so I'm just pushing the hospital. Then I can go to the batch release and magic player. This is our player. So I'm just pushing it. So after pushing that hospital, so it's pushing there. So it's sending the program. Okay, if the program is sending, then automatically it will save it in the Signage player. If you see here, this will change automatically. So now the wedding program we create that is playing. And after it sends successfully, it will be getting a message here sent successful. After it will reload that program. See here, the program is going to change, pushing the program here. Okay, then it will play automatically the hospital thing. So because the program we loaded, automatically it will change. So just wait for that hospital program. It's sending by the program name we called hospital. That program it will play here. Okay, so then same like I will show that what you call the hotel program. So each one I created. If you go edit, so see I have created the hotel program. So here you can create multiple programs based on the category how you want. Okay, after the Signage playing over, you can send it to the Signage player automatically. I just go back. Okay, so I said no. Okay, I will give one by one, because after this one is playing, it will create another schedule. Okay, so after this schedule completed, we can go for another schedule. So what to do, I just cleared for you the empty the program here. For one by one, I will send you, then you will understand how it will concept. I'll just select the device. Okay, then I click OK. Then it empty. So it's empty now. I'm sending one by one for you to understand. First, I go to hospital. Okay, then I'm select the batch release. Categories wise, I'm sending it. So confirm. Then after that, it will push. Okay, so one by one I will go. One by one Signage player will come here. So then the idea you will get, because this is category based, so I'm for demo purpose I'm created all in one category, like one Signage player with different things. So you can get it in that player automatically. See, now we're playing hospital. So consider this Signage player not only for one purpose. You can use this Signage player to multi-purpose. So whoever need a content to display on the Signage, on the advertisement, on the marketing, so they can use the Signage player in different vertical, different market. So this is I designed for the hospital. If you see, there is one picture. This is a custom design. You can make what are the design you want. You can make it your own design. So I just for you to understand, I just mix that some categories so you to understand how the playing is working. So now the hospital is playing. So whoever need hospital Signage, they can use this box. And second thing, I'm just clear the program here. So simple come, I just empty the program. Then after select it, then click OK. So it's empty now. So it's gone. Okay, then I back. I make sure second. second is hotel. So I'm selecting the hotel. Okay, then I'm batch release, then I'm clicking, then I'm pushing. So the program is saved here. After that, you don't need a system. Once the program is saved, it will automatically play. This is a hotel. So who need the hotel signage, like cafe shop, like cafeteria, like a restaurant, so they want to display that food items and food menus, so they can use like this kind of signage. Now the hotel is playing. Okay, so for you clear, the animation all available, the left, right, top, center, you can adjust how you want. Okay, so this is a hotel design. Now back again. So what I'm doing, I'm just empty the program. Okay, so just empty. So then click OK. So it's clear. So now we go back. Okay, school. So we're selecting the school. Okay, then I go to the batch release, then select the device, then I'm pushing. So after pushing, the message, the sending that program to the our signage player. So after some 2-3 minutes, see, now it's school. So now the school video is playing. So you can, as I said before, so this is for school signage also, school advertisements, school promotions, school admissions. They can also use this content to play it. Okay, so next we clear that program here. So empty the show. Okay, then I select the device, and then I click, it's gone. Second we go wedding. A wedding, or we already see that one. Shopping, we go to shopping. So click shopping and batch release, select the player and send the content to the our signage player. So now the program sending to that signage player, and after a few minutes then the program will load it in the signage player, then it will play on the TV. If you see here, okay, so this is shopping mall. So whoever need retail shop, shopping mall, or any brand oriented program, a brand oriented content they want to show in the multiple TV, so they can easily send the content. So this is the idea of the box. Okay, so two-way, as I told you, each signage player different content you can use, or take one signage player and connect it to using the transmitter, a multiple receiver. Okay, then that receiver will send the signal to each TV. Now we saw that everything, that means the terminal and the control and the program. Okay, now I'm swapping to that second screen, because I connected two receiver. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just changing that source here. Okay, then after changing the source, so they're supposed to display two sources here. Okay, now the idea. So now we got that idea. So one signage player, okay, one signage player, HDMI output connecting to that transmitter, and we take the LAN output to the receiver in, and we take another LAN output to take to the receiver. So that means cascading. So you can take 2, 3, 4. If you have multiple TV, you simply take the receiver and connect it to each TV. Then the content will play on the both TVs. Okay, so and here again just created already the program. So I'm just sending this program to the signage player from the mobile control. Okay, I'm just sending it here. If you see here, it will change automatically. Let's see here. I'm just sending it. After it's sending, see the percentage is going. Then after it's sending that, okay, then after 100% completed, the program will loaded in that signage player. Then it will change on the both ways. See, it's changing now. So now that's the idea. So once we change that program here, what is the current recent program we change it will save it in the box. From the box it will play on the 2TV. So this is the idea I'm giving for signage advertisement. You can like a public area. So if you like a bus stand, like a what you call the open area, open event show, or wedding, whatever whoever need the advertisement, the marketing, the publishing, so using that what you call market awareness of the product, or promotion of that your products, or brand showrooms, okay, and corporate schools, whoever. So this is a common product. So this is not locking with one industry, it's a multiple industry, because the advertisement is going for multiple sector. The multiple sector, they can create their own content using based on their vertical market, and they can use the signage player to promote the brands, the services, what are the advertisement they want, they can easily push the content to that using the signage player, using our transmitter receiver. So it's a low cost solution, because I don't want to invest this same signage player for same content to multiple TV. So I can invest in one signage player and I can get it the small transmitter and receiver, then I get the solution, multiple TV to play the same content. Okay, so I hope you understand this product, how the concept, how the design, how the workflow is working. So if you need more detail about the program editing, if you need more detail about how to use this system, okay, I will give my contact information, kindly call me. Thank you.